really like her.
It's gonna be fine.
Yeah, no, should be fine. Okay, man, hey. Why are you so late? I have my sister, I'm sorry. Okay, I mean, you could have called or something. I'm gonna take off. What do you think of this? You know, I don't want to be subtle. I want to be dramatic, if anything.
Yeah.
You know?
Go on your fucking date.
Yeah. All right. See ya.
Have fun.
I got you carrot because you like carrot. And since you're in New York, you gotta drink coffee. I don't know if you drink coffee, but we have coffee here.
Okay. Thanks.
There's cream in there, so it's already pretty sweet. But if you need more sugar, there's sugar right there.
Awesome.
And yeah. Okay, cool.
Thank you. Sorry, we're closed.
Hi.
Sir, we're closed. We closed at 12 tonight.
I just want like a cookie sandwich and like whatnot, and like I can be out of your hair.
I closed the register. Everything's done with the money. I'm sorry.
Chip ones, because those are my favorite.
Listen.
No, listen, okay? You're gonna give me a cookie sandwich, and I'm gonna give you a couple dollars. A cookie sandwich, please.
I cannot give it to you.
Yes,
we are
you
closed.
can.
We're closed.
Give me a cookie sandwich,
We're closed.
please. Okay, she's here, so like, what? You're not closed, okay?
She's not a customer.
So what is she, like a fly? Like on the wall?
Goodbye.
Just a little wart on your ass?
Goodbye.
Probably like a genital wart like the
We're
ones that you have
closed.
right now?
We're fucking
You are not,
closed.
you are not closed. Go back there and get me a cookie
cannot talk to me.
sandwich. Yes, I
Please get out of my
can.
face.
No,
You
I'm not gonna
cannot
get
talk
out
to
of
me
your
like
face.
that.
You're
I
gonna give
don't
me a
know who
cookie
the fuck you
sandwich,
think
and
you
God
are.
knows that you are gonna get me a cookie sandwich.
I'm not going to do that.
You better hope you still have a job after I'm done with you.
I can't work here anymore. Fuck this. I hate people. I don't like hating people. I hate people. I'm quitting so I don't hate people anymore. You're probably horrified. Why? I was stupid and immature and ugly. I don't know, I don't think it was ugly. I think you were just sort of giving him what he deserved. Thanks. I'm Lily. I don't know that we ever got properly introduced. I'm Joe.
So, if you're not gonna work here with me and Steve, what are you gonna do?
Gonna drive somewhere far, far away. Something big. I'm going to drive a bulldozer across America. That's what I'm gonna do. Just like destroying everything. No one would fuck with me if I was in a bulldozer.
No.
I would be like a transformer. Indestructible. That's what I'm gonna do.
Cool.
What are you gonna do when I'm gone?
Well, she's seeing NYU tomorrow. We're seeing NYU. By sea.
Yeah, they don't have class.
Yeah, we're gonna sneak in and just look at everything.
Just look at things?
Yeah, you know, like look at classes and stuff. You know.
You can tell a lot from just like walking around and
Yeah, just gonna
buildings.
get a feeling for it.
Nice.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool. So just a lot of college seeing?
Probably some museums and
Museums,
Oh,
touristy
the Met.
things.
she wants to go to the Met.
Good luck.
We're gonna make Christmas dinner, even though we're not Christian and it's not Christmas.
Yeah.
Nice. Is that a tradition in your family?
No.
First time?
Yeah.
Nice. That sounds fun.
Yeah, I'm excited for it.
Good bonding experience. Shall we?
Yeah, let's get out of here.
Hey guys.
Oh, Steve.
I know you'd still
We
be
popped
here.
out. No, we popped out.
Oh, no, it's okay. Whatever. That's cool. Good to see you guys.
How'd it go? What are you doing here?
Did not go well.
No.
No.
Sorry.
I just don't get it. I mean, I'm a nice guy. I feel like I want to talk to people and make people feel good, and I can't. I don't know. I don't want to work here anymore.
You don't?
No, I do not want to work here anymore. I feel like I don't have anything that I really care about or anything that I'm excited about. I feel like I just come up here every day and I work, and it sucks. It obviously sucks because you guys are miserable, and like I am miserable too, and it just really sucks. You guys can go. That's fine. Yeah, okay.
It was nice to meet you. Sorry, Steve.
Yeah.
Don't do that.
Do you like him?
We're making Christmas dinner, even though we're Jewish and it's not Christmas. Do you want to come to dinner?
Yeah.
Alright,
Yeah. Is it right now?
Yeah, we're going right now.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Give me a sec.
I have stuffing in the oven. Not really. We burned down the house.